are application recovery kits and why are they important?
You may have heard of the term application recovery kit in one of its other variations, modules or frameworks, but SIOS refers to them as application recovery kits or ARCs. And in the SIOS vernacular, an ARC is used to describe all of the expertise, pre-packaged scripts, wizard-driven automation, and validation bundled together to provide intelligent, application-aware start, stop, monitor, and recover capabilities. The SIOS ARCs, using their application awareness, takes away all of the guesswork that customers and consumers or partners or those who are looking to protect critical components of their infrastructure would have to worry about, because the SIOS ARC adheres to the application vendor's best practices, an understanding of the intricacies of the dependencies within the application, be that on infrastructure components or even on services that exist that have a certain start or stop order. And it makes sure that you can keep up with the SLAs that are defined for your enterprise, whether that's recovery time objectives or recovery point objectives. Deploying a SIOS ARC gives customers the confidence of knowing that their solution will have the application awareness and orchestration coded into it. So it already has the best practices taken care of, and it's tested and validated and backed up by over 20 years of industry expertise, customer validation, and customer usage. The SIOS ARC is important because when you're deploying applications and you need them to be highly available and protected, the SIOS ARC means that when it has to work, it just works.